Hey my pretties, welcome back. I am back inside of the Target dollar spot, and every time I come in here I see something new, so of course I'm going to share with you. I usually don't go back over stuff that I've already showed you, so just in case I see those items again, I will link that video or those videos at the end of this one in case you want to see everything that's at the dollar spot. Okay, but for now, sticker roll dispenser, $3. That's cute, and it's shaped like a little apple, and they can hang up. And here's some sticker rolls to go on them. And you get 4 of them in a pack for $3. They got the alphabets. These. What are these? Some metallic colored pencils for $3. They got watercolor pencils. I like the metallic ones. Gel clings, $1. Pencils, $1. They got different ones. Magnetic bookmarks. These are these $1? Yeah, these are $1. Those are cute. Let's see, do they have different ones? Yeah, there's different ones. Look at her. She said I can do anything. So there's a few. There's a few different ones for $1. Memo notes calendar. Okay, that's $5. They got these for $3. Lift each other up. It's like a little lunch box. Or you can actually, it says lunch container. You can put whatever you want in here. Beads, sensory products or whatever. But they got that one. They got different colors. Be kind. Be fearless, be good, be kind. So different ones. Oh, I like the yellow one. Everyone has a superpower inside of them waiting to be discovered. That's cute. How to mix secondary colors. Not bad. For preschool, what are those? $3? Yeah, $3. Shaped painted sponges. Oh, these are cool. Explore nature game. I like these. Activity hunt. You can find them all. So the kid would need to go around the class or outside, wherever you put these items, and find them. You get 40 sheets for $1. Wooden balance game. Oh, I like that. You know what? I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this one today for Pooh Bear. Shapes and numbers. Alphabets, and these are felt books for $3. And I'm gonna get this as well, some felt money, so they can learn to count their money. They have little cards in there that tell you, like, if you give them an apple for 63 cents, they need to pay you for the 63 cents. I love stuff like this. How much is it? $3. So I'll be getting that as well. Here's another balance game. Lots of lap desk for $5, and you got like little what am I trying to say? What is this called? A caddy for $5, and these for $3. These are $3. Metal clips, storage tray like for mail. You got these cups. Some of these I didn't see. That one. These are $3. I like this one with the yellow. Insert coffee to begin. That one. Tired and ready to be hired. These are so cute. Here's a lap desk. You totally got this. Okay, that's cute. This is $7. Okay, over here they got some new banners. These are cute. They look like the composition book. It says dry erase surface, $3. They got different banners. I showed you guys this. Here's some flags that say first day, last day, and it's my birthday. Oh, that would be good for a teacher to use in the class. Hanging chalkboard sign. They got a square, an apple, or one that looks like the earth. These are $3. Alpha stamps, learn letters and spelling. So here's some little stamps with the alphabets for $3. You got a bunch of ink pads. those for $3. Glitter, chunky glitter for $1. They got different colors. This one though is this numbers? Yeah, those are numbers. Those are cute. Oh, here's some washi tape. That one looks like that. So this is the design that you would get right here. That's the design. They got numbers, alphabets. This one we saw. And some apples. Here's some paper punches for $3. Some more stamps, $3. They have different ones. Oh, and I got some big giant washi tape over here, counting tape. These are $3 for these. And then they have this one that looks like a ruler and one that looks like alphabets. These are $1. Binder clips for $1. And the jumbo ones are $1 as well. Oh, that's cute. Graded, send home, 2 foul. And you get 4 for the $1. Oh, here's some stickers. This is a sticker book. $1. I think that's, well, no, I think there's some over here. Okay, grades due, happy Friday. So you got a lot of stickers that will be for like a teacher. 362 stickers. You got that one. Emergency drill, cupcakes, homework. That one. And I think that's it. And those. Oh, okay, so in the other video I showed you this one, and as soon as I was trying to get over there, somebody purchased this one. Well, here it is. This is cute. These are $3. And then you have this one. Until she realizes it's okay, up here you got some note cards with envelopes. Now these are cute and they're only $1. So if you want to write a letter to somebody and it comes with the envelopes that look like a composition, I like that. Thank you for all you do. And the yellow one is the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. And that one comes with a yellow envelope. Right next to it you got some, what is this? A gift topper is what it says. This one says best teacher, you are making a difference every day. Cute little banner. And there's also a heart back there. And you got these sticky notes for $1. I think I'm gonna get these. Now there's another set down here that I didn't see. It's a thank you card with the 8 of them in there. Okay, we saw these cups. Be awesome today. The ruler and the apples. Never stop learning. Oh, that's cute. It has a little chalk and a eraser board. I mean the eraser. $3. Voice levels. Does this move? Yep. Look at that. $3. Okay, most of this is just storage. We saw these mesh supply caddies. These little containers are $1. Storage container, $1. They got different colors. There's the cupcake stands. Cute bags, canvas bags for $3. They got different ones. This one is really cute. I like that. Oh, look at this. Farmer's Market bag, fresh and local. And it's kind of like crinkly. These are $3. Let's see what the next one says. Eat, sleep, repeat. Market, eat, sleep, repeat. And the handles on these are kind of thick. Those are nice. Okay, what is this? A market bag. And that's the design you get on it. And these are $3. So they fold inside so you can carry it in your purse and pull it out when you need it. Of course, I had to see the socks. Look at those pencil socks. Apples. Is that hopscotch? Look at that. They got a hopscotch pair. That's cute. Oh, what is this? That is so cute. It's a honey pot for $3. And it has a little thing in it. And then this is aged vinegar and olive oil containers for $3. These mini strainers or colanders are $5. They got white and black. And then on this last section right here, here's the presentation board. It's like a cork board for $3. Okay, we saw most of this. There's the acrylic storage containers. Oh, they got some cosmetic brushes. Look at the handles. That has blue glitter on them. These are $3. They got pink, like a rose gold kind of color. Those are pretty. Look at this one back there. They got blending sponges, marbled blending sponges for $3. I see orange, blue, and pink. Some mask for $3. These are $3. This one says teach. And that will be it for the dollar spot. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here. This will be my dollar spot trip number 3. Like I said, I will link the other 2 at the end of this one in case you missed them. And thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Okay, bye.